Here is my Farlov sofa bed from IKEA, and it's very comfortable to sit on, but there is one problem. The closing action works nicely. When you close it, this hook there works. This hook here is underneath. And I don't know why that is a problem, but it is a problem. And I think it's going to damage the whole bed if we don't resolve that. Let me just show you. This hook here sits on the extending horizontal bit of metal, and this hook here sits underneath it. You can see it's already damaged the horizontal bit of metal.